Hey, how's it going? I want to do a quick review on a sound bar that I purchased probably a year ago. And just like anything else, I put a lot of effort into items when I buy them. I do a lot of studying on them and I make sure I'm getting the best bang for the buck. I wasn't even going to bother putting on a review on this. I've had it for like a year. But I do think I found a way to get a demonstration on it quick, to show people that are watching what it's capable of without somebody wondering if I'm bluffing or if this was given to me by a company. I needed something that was portable and I could use in a computer room and wanted Bluetooth and whatnot, and this seemed to fit the bill. And I've been real impressed with it, so I'm going to throw a little review on with it quick. Picked these up for around $100 now, and this is called a Pyle Home. And what it is a PSB V200 BT. We're going to start this out by throwing in a SD card. I only got one MP3 on it, but you throw an MP3 on a card, as soon as you plug it in, it's going to go to that. So that's a real good feature itself. Now Bluetooth, you're not going to see the screen, but Bluetooth works incredible on it. Enough of that. I was looking for something that I could actually sit a TV on, which you're looking at I do believe a 32-inch TV. Like I said, it's hard to tell you on video just how good these sound bars by Pyle work. So I'm going to do you a different demonstration here. Here's the demonstration. It's a dish of water about 13 inches away from the system. I only had it on 35, that's the volume of 17. There you go, the PSB V200 BT Pyle Home soundbar, 300 watts, $100. You're not going wrong with this thing, I'm telling you. I'm impressed with it. So if somebody ends up getting one and like it, I hope this video helped. But you can see there, you can't talk about the good rich sound and bass coming out of it other than showing you.